Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sign-up sheet on Google for parents and how to share that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it through Google Slides. And I'm going to click blank slide. And then I want to go to layout, blank. You could leave the other one there if you want. I just like it to be a clear slate. If you want to add a background, this is completely optional. You just go to background, choose image. And right now it's fall, so I'm going to put fall in the box and just choose an image that I like. I'm going to click that picture and click insert. I'm going to click done. So I like this image, so I just have the leaves in the background and see it's not going to move. Then I'm going to go to insert, table. I'm going to decide how many categories I want and how many times I want. So I'm going to make this table like this. I'm going to then select the table, and because I chose a background, you can't see it. So I'm going to fill it with this light orange. And I'm just going to make the table the size I want by dragging at the bottom and the sides. To be a little bit more even, so you may want to go in or out and make it even. Then you can put your categories. If you want a specific font, I just select all of the table and I choose the font I like. And I want mine to be centered, so I'm going to center it. So I'm going to make sure I click the center button. And I'm going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'm not going to have any conferences on Friday. And I'm going to have date or week, or I could put times, I could put dates, I could put 9:30, 9:45, and 10. So let's say those are the times I want to have my conferences. And then here I could just put something like, please sign up for a time. Once I have done that, I'm just going to click out and make sure I'm happy with it. You can leave it like this and the parents can just type in here. Or if you want to make sure they can't change the times, what you can do is you can make it a background. So you're going to go to File, Download, JPEG. Again, that was File, Download, JPEG. And it's going to bring that down to the very bottom of the screen. You can't really see it on mine. There it is right there, Untitled Presentation. Now I'm going to go to background again. I'm going to click choose image and I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to put that Untitled Presentation and click done. Now I can take everything on top and delete it and nothing moves. Now I still want my parents to be able to type, so what I've done is I just click the text box and I just put a text box in each of these little categories. That is the more complicated where it's cutesy and they can't move it. If you just want a very simple sign-in sheet, all you're going to do is insert table, insert your table, type your categories. Sorry, there was some text boxes on there. We want to get rid of that. I could just type 1, 2, 3, 4, make it the size I want. And the parents can just type in it. Now I'm ready to send it to the parents, so I'm going to go to share. I do have to name it, so I'm going to put video on how to make a sign up sheet because that's where this is going to be. I'm going to click save and I'm going to change the link. Now I want to make sure I change this to anyone with the link because this is for parents. They're not all going to have Alvin ISD. And I want to make sure I set them as an editor. An editor means they can do something with it. And then I'm going to click copy link. And I'm just going to go to my dojo and paste the link. And that's it.